Okay, so this is our 1994 Talbot Express camper van, or motorhome, or whatever you want to define it as. So this is what we're going to be travelling 6,000 miles around Europe in. We're all ready to go. We've just got to pack the last few things, and then it's all set. And I can't wait. So it's going to take us around 6 weeks to do our journey. And yeah, we've never been anywhere in this before, so how will it fare? We have no idea. So that's all part of the fun. Okay, we're back from Tesco's. We've stocked up on all the important things, things like, well, the vital things, the beans, baked beans. I'm taking about 10 cans of those with me. We've got some coffee. We've topped up on some cans. We've got the instant noodles, because a lot of things are shut when we arrive in Europe. We are arriving on Sunday, and a lot of things are closed on Sunday. So we want to make sure we've got some junk food basically to snack on. Some more pasta, crisps, and plant-based protein, because you can't take anything milk across. So I had to get some plant-based protein. And there you go. So now we've just got to get all this in the van somehow. So yeah, that's the next test. So let's go to the van now and get it all put away. Here we go, just popping in the last cans. Get those beans in there. Sort of priorities out, make sure they're safe. As you can see, once you load the van in, you can actually get quite a lot of stuff in here. It's pretty good, really. And the last one, look how that was almost, we designed it. Oh, come on, there you go, it's in. So we got this side, the instant noodle shelf. Simple as that. And then we're all ready to go. Now we just need to find space for this stuff.